In this series of videos, I'm going to talk about lighting, lighting a scene, and a little bit about cameras. And to demonstrate lighting and to show you how to use the lights, we have to have something set up that we can look at here. So follow along with me. First of all, save your file in a known location, and let's call it, I called mine light ex1 for exercise 1, your name 001. Okay, so set up a file with that same file name convention, and we'll get started here. So the first thing, let's make a cylinder. In the Object Manager, under Attributes, set the radius of the cylinder to, hang on, I got it written down here somewhere. The radius is 250. The height is 30. Rotation segments is 72. And then click on the Caps tab, enable fillet, and change the radius of the fillet to 8. And that's what you have. Instead of cylinder, let's call it table. Oops. Okay, next thing to do is make a sphere. And the sphere, change the radius to 40. And segments again, let's make it 72 so it's nice and smooth, because we're going to add some reflective material to this. The coordinates, I figured this out earlier. We're going to compose, you know, like a little scene with 3 different objects on this table. So let's put in these coordinates for the sphere. X is 43, Y is 55, and Z is negative 32. And as we go on, these values might change. We might move stuff around. But this is just getting us started here. Secondly, let's make a pyramid, because we haven't used that for a while, or ever, I don't think, in this course yet. And over in the Object Manager, for the size of this pyramid, the X value is 110. Whoops. And the Z value is 110, so it's 110 by 110. And whoops, not 1000, okay, 110. And then for the height of our pyramid, we'll have it 145. For the coordinates of our pyramid, X is 15, Y is 88. Where are we at here? 88. And then the Z value is a positive 100. Okay, that's looking good so far. One more object. We're going to make a tube, which we haven't used before yet in this course. And the Object Manager, there's an inner and outer radius parameter for the tube. The inner radius is 5.5. The outer radius is 7. The rotation segments is 72 again. I love the number 72, you might have noticed. And the height is 65. Okay, so right now it's buried on the 0, coordinate. So click the Coordinates tab. The X coordinate for this object is negative 43. Y is 48. And the Z coordinate is negative 83. So that's what we have. Get something set up similar. One thing, let's check our 4 view and go to a side view. And let's make sure that all our objects are sitting on the table. I'm in the right view. If I click on View, Frame All, I can see all of them. And I'll see that the pyramid is just a little, it's like floating just a little bit above the table. So I'm just going to click on pyramid, grab the y-axis, and just set it down just a little bit, just to make sure it's sitting on the table. So the pyramid coordinates now, the y value is 87.688 if you want to get really anal retentive about it. But let's go back to my perspective view. So review the video if you missed any of that, and get something that, just follow the coordinates and get this set up. And then I'll see you in the next video.